Hi everyone. Today, I want to share how to find joy in your 50s as a mom. Alam ko, as a mom in my 50s, we've been so focused on taking care of our families, but now it's time to focus on ourselves. Unang-una, it's important to reconnect with hobbies or passions na dati mong ginagawa. Siguro painting, gardening, or kahit simpleng paglakad sa labas. Little things like that can bring so much joy. Also, it helps to spend time with friends na pareho rin ng pinagdadaanan. Sharing stories, laughing together, it makes this stage of life easier and more fun. And lastly, don't forget to be kind to yourself. Huwag maging perfectionist. Just embrace who you are, flaws and all, because that's what makes life beautiful. So let's enjoy this stage and make the most of every moment you deserve.